Meaning of Denver boot.
Denver boot.
Denver boot.
Denver boot.
Denver boot. The term Denver boot refers to a device used to immobilize a vehicle by clamping a metal boot onto one of its tires. The boot prevents the vehicle from being moved until it is removed. This measure is typically used by law enforcement to enforce parking violations or collect unpaid tickets. The result of having a Denver boot placed on your vehicle is that you are unable to drive it until the boot is removed, which usually requires payment of outstanding fines or fees.